How to use the Rotate command in AutoCAD. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. In this video, you will learn how to use the Rotate command in AutoCAD. Click the Home tab. Modify panel. Then, choose the Rotate command. Or just type RO in the command line and press Enter. Select your objects. Specify the base point of rotation. If you click the Copy option, you can create a copy of the selected objects for rotation. Specify the rotation angle and determine how far an object rotates around the base point. The axis of rotation passes through the specified base point and is parallel to the z-axis of the current UCS. Or you can choose the reference option, which allows you to specify a reference angle other than the 0 degrees horizon angle, and then easily snap the rotated object to a polar tracking angle. For example, if you have an object at an irregular angle and you want to align it to the horizontal or vertical axis, you can use the reference option to do that. Specify the new angle or select the points option to align the object with another object or axis. Finally, specify 2 points on the reference object.